Hello and welcome back to an Empower Servers tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to install FileZilla and access your SFTP. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the Empower Servers YouTube channel for tutorials and Minecraft content. Also, if this video helps you, make sure you give it a like. So, first things first, we need to go to google.com and type in FileZilla and then download. Next, we can go to this link here, filezilla/project.org. And then we're going to download the FileZilla client, not the server. Make sure you download the client. Now I'm going to download this for Windows. However, if you are on Linux or Mac or you're on a 32-bit Windows system, make sure you use these alternative download links down here. When you press the download button, you'll come to this page. Just press the first download button. Unless, of course, you'd like a manual, then you can download FileZilla with a manual if you want. However, it's not required for your server. Now, I'm just going to save the .exe to my desktop. Once you've saved it, you're going to get a setup.exe and you just want to open it. Make sure you press yes when it asks for administrator permissions, and then we're going to go through the setup wizard. Press I agree to the license agreement and privacy policy after reading it, and then select whether you want to make the software available to all users. I'm not bothered, so I'm just going to press next. And then here you can choose whether you want a desktop icon or not. I don't. I'm just going to continue, press next. Now you can choose where to install it. I'm just going to install it to my C drive. Press next. Then you can choose whether or not to create a start menu shortcut. I want to, so I'm going to press next. And then it's going to start downloading. And then after it's finished downloading, you can start up the program. Once the program's open, it's fairly easy to use. First, we have to find our Sftp details. So we need to go to empowerservers.com, click on the server control panel on the top right, and then press manage on your server, and then head to system and Sftp details. Now the first thing we're going to do is highlight the connection address, copy it, open FileZilla and paste it into the hostname box. Now at the end of our connection address, we include a port. You just want to delete these numbers, and that is 2022. So delete those and add it to the port box 2022. And then to get your username, highlight it, right click, copy it, head back to FileZilla and paste it into the username box. And then the password is the password you use to log in to control.empowerservers.com. Once all that's entered in, you can press the quick connect button and then choose whether to save passwords. In this case, I'm not going to bother saving passwords. And then it's going to say the server's host key is unknown. Don't worry, press OK. You can tick the box if you'd like to, however, you don't need to. And now here at the top, we can see all the directories. And then here at the bottom, we can see all the files we have on our server. And that's how to access the SFTP using FileZilla.
Thank you very much for watching. If you require any more support, the fastest way to reach us will be via live chat, located in the bottom right corner of your screen at all times. Thank you for choosing Empower Servers.